Stanwick, a quiet and picturesque village in the heart of Northamptonshire, England, may appear modest at first glance, but behind its calm exterior lies a rich and fascinating history that stretches back thousands of years. Nestled between the towns of Wellingborough and Rounds, Stanwick offers a peaceful rural escape where heritage, community spirit, and natural beauty come together in perfect balance. The history of Stanwick reaches deep into the prehistoric era. Archaeological discoveries in and around the village have revealed evidence of Neolithic and Bronze Age activity, including ancient enclosures and burial sites. The landscape around Stanwick once formed part of a significant Iron Age settlement, and nearby finds have even suggested links to Roman occupation. The name Stanwick itself is believed to derive from the Old English words meaning stone settlement, hinting at its long-standing roots in the English countryside. In the Domesday Book of 1086, Stanwick is recorded as Stanwig, a small agricultural community under the control of Norman lords. Through the centuries, it remained a farming village, its fertile land sustaining generations of local families. As time passed, the village grew gently, retaining its strong agricultural identity while adapting to the rhythms of rural English life. One of the village's most prominent landmarks is St. Lawrence Church, a beautiful stone building with origins in the 13th century. Its tall spire rises gracefully above the village, and its interior offers a peaceful space filled with centuries of history. Inside, visitors will find stained glass windows, memorials, and carved wooden features that reflect the skill and devotion of generations past. The churchyard is equally atmospheric, with old gravestones and mature trees providing a quiet space for reflection. Stanwick Lakes, one of the most popular attractions in the region, lies just a short walk from the village centre. This expansive nature reserve, built on former gravel pits, has been transformed into a haven for wildlife and outdoor recreation. Covering over 750 acres, Stanwick Lakes offers scenic walking and cycling paths, birdwatching hides, adventure play areas for children, and peaceful spots for picnics. The reserve is a favorite among families, nature lovers, and photographers, with its wetlands, meadows, and woodlands providing stunning views throughout the seasons. The visitor centre at Stanwick Lakes also features exhibitions on the area's archaeological significance, including displays of ancient tools, pottery, and other items discovered during excavations. These finds help paint a vivid picture of life in the Stanwick area over thousands of years and offer a deeper understanding of the village's unique place in history. Walking through Stanwick itself, the village retains a strong sense of identity and tradition. Thatched cottages, stone-built homes, and tree-lined lanes create an atmosphere that is both timeless and inviting. The village green remains a focal point for community life, with events and gatherings often taking place throughout the year. Stanwick's local pub, the Duke of Wellington, offers a warm welcome and hearty traditional fare. It's the kind of place where locals gather for a pint and a catch-up, and visitors are quickly made to feel at home. Whether you're after a Sunday roast, a locally brewed ale, or just a quiet corner to relax, the pub adds to the village's enduring charm. The village hall and community centre are active hubs, hosting events, classes, and seasonal fairs that bring residents together. The annual Stanwick Village Fete is a highlight, drawing people from surrounding areas for a day of traditional games, food stalls, music, and crafts. These gatherings reflect the strong community spirit that defines Stanwick, where neighbours know each other and local heritage is deeply cherished. For those seeking to explore further, the surrounding countryside is rich with walking trails and quiet country roads, leading through fields, over gentle hills, and past historic farms. The nearby town of Rounds offers additional amenities and historic interest, while Wellingborough provides access to rail links and larger shopping areas without losing that small-town feel. Stanwick may not appear on many tourist maps, but for those who discover it, the village offers a memorable and meaningful experience. It is a place where history is not confined to museums, but woven into the very fabric of the community. From ancient settlements to thriving nature reserves, from medieval churches to community festivals, Stanwick is a village that honors its past while embracing the present with pride and grace. For anyone looking to connect with England's rural heart and experience life at a gentler pace, Stanwick is a destination well worth exploring.